Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to enable and disable Edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on display. Now from here, just scroll down and enable Edge panels, just like that. And once you enable this toggle, a small bar will appear at the side of your smartphone. Now, if you swipe from here, you can enable Edge panel on your smartphone, just like that. Now, to disable Edge panel on your smartphone, just open the settings app. Now, just disable this toggle, just like that. And as you can see, we have successfully disabled the Edge panel on our smartphone. And this is how you can enable and disable Edge panel on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.